Debits and credits. So now we're going to look at the exciting world of double entry bookkeeping. So debits and credits form the basis of double entry bookkeeping. So what this means is that for every transaction that occurs, like gravity, whatever goes up must go down. So in accounting terms, for whatever the debit amount there is, there must be a corresponding credit amount. However, you aren't limited to just one account. For example, you can have 3 debit accounts for $10 each and 1 credit account for $30, and this is still a valid accounting entry. So now we'll look at an example of this. So a good example of debits and credits is in your bank loan. For example, when you pay your bank loan, your loan payable account will decrease, creating a debit. Your bank account will also decrease, creating a credit for the same amount. So that's fairly simple. However, when you record your interest and bank fees, you get an entry with 2 debits and 1 credit. So on the debit side, you have your interest expense of $100 and bank fees of $10, but on the credit side, you have an increase in your loan payable for $110. Remember, it is essential that both sides balance to the same amount. There is no limit on the amounts you can have on either side if they are part of the same transaction, but for simplicity's sake, it is better to keep them as small as possible.